Hello, welcome to my VOD channel. I do a lot of programming and some other things like playing games. If you want to see the streams live, you can watch them on my Twitch. There's a link in the description. Without any further delay, let's get to the stream. All right, we're on. I shouldn't. I don't think I should start on the scene. I just realized that my intro for the VODs are that face cam, so that transition is actually going to look really weird that time. Anyway, if you're watching from the VOD, actually, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this past stream for me here. Really appreciate it. Okay, but let's get down to business here. So I've been working on this chunk reloading system, and I think I left it, well, I did a lot of like work that essentially will just copy over data from an old chunk to a new chunk and then reinitialize it as if it was a new chunk. So yeah, all that code is, I think, done. And I'll be honest, if this doesn't work, well, if it fails in here, if it fails on this function somewhere, then I'm going to leave it there. And I'm not going to continue working on this because I imagine this would be an easy thing just for convenience sake to test configuration changes. There is a simpler way to do it, although slower, and I think that's what I might have to end up doing in the future. Let's go and get rid of this box up here. Actually, we can leave the box because I will be testing it today. I'll go and boot up Minecraft. Okay. So we're in here now. Finally done with all that stuff. We're in here. We are now generating the chunk. So essentially what I have to do is I need to take this chunk data, pass it straight into my thing, which will be undecorated biomes, noise, surface, blah, 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 all of that. Set to new version. So we'll just go for that. Go ahead and get this launched. I just got a haircut this morning, and to be honest, I think I messed it up. I think I had her cut a little bit too much off. So, knowledge for next time. Because I think what I want to do is I want to grow it out quite a bit more than I ever have before, really. But do it nicely. And then go from there. And then go bold. Eventually. That's on the list. Not yet, though. I'll just leave it there. Well, maybe I won't. It does spin and it's kind of obnoxious looking. Can I wait, is the server running right now? Oh. Hang on a sec. I've just realized that I have not yet paid for it this time. Oh, come on. What in the hell? Oh, yeah. It is offline, but not because I haven't paid for it, but I do need to pay for it, which I'm going to do right now. No. How reflective are my glasses here? I kind of want to know. How reflective are they? How much can you see? Not much. If I look down, it's fine. I just kind of wonder if I could expose something on this monitor. I did that wrong. Yeah, of course that one's not right. Just a moment. There we go. Okay. Excellent. Alrighty. Oh, it was running errors last time. Huh. Okay. Well, I guess we'll figure it out eventually. What's on this? I do not have the stream world on this one? Okay. Interesting. I will just leave it there then. That's fine. I will remove it from the top because it's going to be a while. And I feel like it's a bit distracting. Okay. Cool. Gone. Alright. So that one technically will already apply. Just have the chunk data. So we need server world generator. Oh, get instance. Okay. So we get instance. Wait, what? Oh, we pass in a chunk generator. Okay, well that's smart. Okay. Biomes. Oh no. Biome provider. Wait a second. How does this work? Okay. I'm actually not sure how this works. We can open in this window. So first thing to look for is chunk status. Chunk status. Bring me here. Oh, please. Chunk status. Biomes. Chunk generator create biomes. Create biomes? What? Really? Create biomes? I guess let me go look at that function then. Return computer. Blah, 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 blah. Roll chunk manager, biome source. Chunk fill biomes from noise. Climate sampler? What the hell? Chunk access. Fill biomes from noise. Biome resolver. Biome supplier. Biome source. Get noise biome. Holder biome. IJ. Chunk section. Huh. Okay. Interesting. But I think I get it. I think I get it. So let's just do a new window there. Let me bring this over here. This here. Change windows. There we go. Okay. So I've got this right here. Just put you over there. Okay, so chunk access, fill biomes from noise, biome resolver. Biome result. Sheesh. Okay. So apparently we have something called generator dot what was it called? Create biomes. Okay. So I need to cast this into a okay, so this has got to be cast. I want to cast it to that one. And then we do You're kidding me. What does it look like? Here it is. This function. So we actually call chunk access.a biome supplier and that climate sampler. Which is strange because that's not an implemented thing. Where's that implemented? Custom chunk generator. This delicate client sampler. Oh, right, of course. Okay. So we actually do, what is it? Chunk access, the proto chunk. I will do proto chunk A, and we pass, what do we give it? Biome resolver and sampler. So we give it the biome resolver, which is from World Chunk Manager biome source, runtime biome source. Which is weird. Get biome source. It's all just silly. So probably I can do generator. Is it biome provider? Well, let's go to it. I'm gonna biome provider. Yeah, I'd like to see that. Ah, right. No, I understand. So I gotta do casts. So this was chunk access dot fill biomes from noise with the biome resolver, which comes from here. Chunk generator. That one. We're looking for Who the heck knows? Because everything has been obfuscated. Right. So there's a public final. Biome source. D. Which is provided by E. World Chunk Manager. Then we have oh wait, it should be a custom chunk generator, shouldn't it be? Isn't it a custom chunk generator? I think it actually is. Actually, no. No, it's actually really not. Oh, no. Yeah, it's actually not at all. So how can I... Abstract chunk generator. This is just... Does this extend it? Internal chunk generator. Extends that. Custom chunk generator. Wait, so where does this get used? Ah, we'll put it onto the screen. Because it's gonna be silly. Alright. So we're looking at API. Don't need event. Is this where it is? No. Where's the API? Where actually is the API? This is located in org bucket generator. Okay, so not there. Right, here. I was already there. Chunk generator. This is ever... I mean, this has to be used somewhere else. Like initialized or something. Oh, no. Well, I mean, actually, there's chunk data here. So you can probably find that. Craft chunk data. I just need to get from here to there. Okay, so let's go to this. Wait, what? Oh, this is it. Custom chunk generator. So how do we do biomes here? Okay. Well, find usages. Gen comes from what? Really? Gen what dimension dot generator? Well, that doesn't seem right. Wait, make default overworld. I am quite confused. When do we retrieve it from a plugin? It looks like I may not be able to get it. Which sucks. If I can't get it. How can I... No, like I just can't access that. I actually just figured out how to access it. Okay. So what I do is I can go back here. Because I don't actually expect I'm going to need that anymore. Okay. So what I actually do here is I can get the world, right? Grab the world server. There it is. So I can actually certainly collect the generator from this. I just have to find where it is. Okay. No, it should be here. I just didn't see it. I'd love to be able to scroll. Is it chunk provider server? Okay, let's try this one. Chunk generator is a bucket generator. No. World.spigot. Funny. Okay. Not there. Not there. It's world server, right? Right. Okay, maybe I need to go back to paper. Maybe I need to go back here. Okay. So let's see. Chunk generator. Find uses. We don't need animal. We don't need NPC. Not level chunk. Not level dimension. Server level chunk map. So it's here. Ugh. Chunk map. I believe it's called the chunk provider server, is what it's called here. No, what? It's not that. Is it B? No, why would it be B? Oh, is it player chunk map? Well, I finally found it. Chunk provide. Oh my god. Okay. So, world server, get server. No, world server is what I want because that's level. World server. Yeah, world server chunk provider server. Player chunk map. Ugh. Chunk generator. Sheesh. Or no, sorry. Crap. Wait. What? Hang on. No, because we need to get it from the world. Wrong kind of chunk generator. Wait, really? Do I have to? No, I'm so confused. How the hell does this work? I'm actually really confused. Because they change the names. They say server, they say world, say level. It's so inconsistent. Ah, so craft world. This is the actual real world. Okay. Craft world is a wrapper for the world. This is the real world. Right. Okay. Simple. So, we need to get world. It's private because of course it is, and it's reading everywhere. Public. World. Get a handle. Get handle, right? I mean, I already had that. Chunk provider server K. K. Okay, it's lower K. So we need to do. So let's get the. Only use for biomes because. Yeah. Okay. World server K, and then chunk map A. Can I just access that directly? .a .u. There we go. Cool. So this is no, this is actually level server level. It's actually called server level. Server level dot chunk source chunk hash dot get chunk source. Get chunk source server chunk cache. And then chunk map. And then generator. Okay. All right. That's what this line does. And then we run Minecraft chunk generator dot e and sampler Minecraft chunk generator dot sampler d. I believe that's all it does. So we go to chunk. Why are they gone? Gosh, could I use my scroll wheel, please? No, I'm not allowed to use my scroll wheel. Or was it? The chunk world manager. Get noise biome. Wait, huh? Biome resolver. Oh, wait. What? Hang on, did I do that wrong? Biome resolver, biome supplier. Wait, did I do that wrong? called .e? Wait, what? .e? World Chunk Manager. Is it get noise biome? Can be replaced with qualifier? Wait, what? What? Biomes resolver. No, I have to do it this way, right? I'm so confused. Biome resolver, get noise biome. Okay, what is a biome resolver? What is that? Something that... Actually, yeah, wait, why do they do it that way? That's not necessary. Why do they do it that way? That's really weird. Passes the function. Yeah, it's not necessary to do that. You just pass that. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Chunk generator dot... Well, who knows what it's called. Yeah, that's the one. Get biome source. And then just called get sampler. Climate sampler. Okay. That should do it on the spot. Should do it. And then we do apply noise. Apply noise. So for that, we can do sorry, generator. Generate noise. World info. I just pass world, I guess. Random, not null. We'll give it core.random. Chunk x. Chunk x. Chunk z. And then it needs the chunk data. For that, we give it chunk data. Yeah. Surface world and then chunk data. Generate bedrock. then caves. Cool. Okay. Should be all of them. And then we'll set it to the new version. Wait, I think I have to do that here, right? Yeah. And then we say copy proto into level chunk. Copy proto into level chunk. Proto chunk. I think it's just, yeah, we just pass in chunk, right? Yeah. That's all good. And then we can break link. Okay. And we can do chunk. Oh, no, I need a... Huh, interesting. Ah, interesting. Huh, well, yeah. I guess I just do that and this one isn't necessary up here. Okay. Right? Yeah, okay, now it doesn't have any of that weird stuff. Why was it giving me that weird stuff before? Chunk, persistent data container. What else do I do this? Okay. So we'll basically just do this up here. Undecorated. Long value. We need this. Oh, I see what the issue is. Okay. So I guess I'll just tell it what version we're using. So biome provider. Yeah, don't actually use that. Yeah, it's actually not used at all. Let me go. Yeah, see? All right, let's look at this. So when this is called get noise biome, implementation, custom chunk manager. Yeah. Biome provider, get biome. Yeah. I kind of don't like doing this. Leaving that out like that. Let's do it the hard way and see if I can get it back in here. When we're doing desktop, let's go back to this one. And let's do I can leave that open. Let's pull this one out. Create biomes, fill biomes from noise. Chunk position, level height accessor. Chunk access gets section. Okay, so we'll do it this way. Oh, because essentially what this, well, I mean, I could create one. Yeah, I could create one. So instead of doing this, I could do new new biome resolver, get noise biome. And then I can do, because the weird thing about this is that the X and the Y are kind of strange. I mean, actually, I suppose not so much. Fill biomes from noise. Yeah, it does like a bit shift on these, which I'm a little confused by. Are there any other implementations that maybe look a bit less strange? Still doing a bit shift. I mean, it's got to be this one. So craft block. Biome to biome base. With a what? A registry for biome base. course, right? Of course. So how do we get that? How do I get that? Registry. Oh, is it just the biome registry? Which I already have. Oh, there it is. Great. Biome registry and biome. Biome provider. Get biome. World. And they do this. I don't know why, but that's what they do. Yeah, that's what they do. I really don't understand why it's like that. Why do we multiply it by, what is that, multiplying it by 4? Why? Let's see here. So we get called from, what are we called from? I just want to show it. This is where it gets called from. Wait. Court? Pause. Interesting. Biomes are applied in chunk, like 4x4 pieces? What? I don't understand, dude. They do that so weird. They have so many really weird things that I don't... Not that I don't think are necessary. I know they're not necessary. It's completely unnecessary for them to do it that way. But alas, that's how they do it. Lambda. Replaced with lambda. Oh, wait, that's that? Really? Okay. Generate biomes from the biome provider. Don't ask me why they do this. Don't ask me why they do this. I'm just following orders. I mean, I did it the right way at least. Yeah, this is just totally unnecessary. It could literally just be called generator.generate biome. And then the only reason these are split, by the way, is because Minecraft generates biomes first, and then everything else is based on the biome. That's why this is like this. That's why they do it like this. Because the theory is that you have just a thing which puts down arbitrary biomes, and then your world generator comes in and says, oh, this is a lush forest? Okay, I'll generate a lush forest. So stupid. So stupid. Did I say lush forest, by the way? I meant lush cave. Makes no sense. Okay. So that's all that. What's the red here? Ah, right. Version. Decorated 0. And in theory, what I could do is I could tell the world generator to start paying attention to this chunk, and when its neighbors are loaded, to generate the neighbors. But they're not ready for that, so I have to do it manually. Okay, so yeah, set as new version and undecorated. No return here. Well, actually, do all that. Now we check all neighbors. Decorate this one. And decorate this one if the versions match. Right. So, if all neighbors are the same version, decorate this one. And then test all neighbors and attempt decoration for them as well. Only the bordering neighbors. Versions match. Okay. So, Boolean all loaded and match. Well, we'll say true. Int x equals. Yeah, we'll just say x equals -1. X is less than or equal to 1. X plus plus. Right. If x equals 0, x equals 0, we will continue. Otherwise, we will get the chunk. So we will say this could be an issue because if I try to get the chunk when it's not loaded, it'll be problematic. So I had to do this without doing that. And we don't care if they're currently generating, we just want to see what they currently are. They will only be set once they're completely done. So we'll say get chunk I don't want to do it if it's not loaded. Okay. Okay. So this is an issue. So I can't do it here because this is where I run regenerate chunk. And it'll start processing. So I guess I can get a ticket for the chunk immediately. I guess I'm just worried about chunks being left undecorated. So we can flip back. Um, Let me think about it. I just want to make sure that no matter what happens, no matter what order chunks are generated in, there is a moment where the final chunk to complete will cause all currently loaded neighbors to redecorate themselves. I suppose the best thing I can do is I can just get a ticket right now. But that's the problem. I have to load the chunk to get the ticket for it. Okay, so let me do this. So first of all, do chunk regeneration. We need to only do this stuff if the current version is wrong, really. So what we will do is we will say check expected version with real version, regenerating chunk if versions don't match, right? So we'll say we can get the persistent data container right away. Get or default version key. Well, this is great. No, I don't want to. It's just like it is insisting that I want to get a Boolean, so it's just being stupid to me. Okay, default value. Well, actually, I would like it to be null. So long current version. We'll rename that to expected Versino. Expected version. Here we go. Equals null or current version is not equal to expected version. Right, okay. Okay. And then we can do all this. All right. Okay. Don't match. Okay. Check all neighbors. Decorate this one if all versions are equal. Well, we check decoration. So then we will do maybe like boolean dot. Can I do like bytes to boolean something? Okay. All right. Bytes decorated container get say bytes. Okay. And I will actually say get for default for this one. Decorated. Decorated is not equal to 1. Okay. So let me just decorate this one if versions are equal. Okay. So now what we can do in here is we can only test for loaded chunks. Yeah, because if we're moving towards them, we've loaded the chunk. We want to only do it for loaded chunks. So I guess theoretically this will never actually execute here because, or the first time at least. Well, no, because it will eventually work. Well, okay. I suppose theoretically it will never actually operate for this one because like the way I'm imagining it, you're going to load this chunk first and you're going to load the neighbors after it, or the last 3 neighbors or something will be loaded after this chunk is loaded. Which means by the time we get to this chunk, its neighbors aren't actually loaded yet. They're definitely not the right version yet if they're being regenerated. So the only time this one will get operated on is on the next step where we go to each neighbor and we try to decorate the neighbors. But it does mean that we can only do it when all neighbors have been loaded. I'll even specifically document that. Yeah. But we'll try anyway. So if world is chunk loaded, chunk x plus x, chunk z plus z. Why is world like that? Oh. Because I did it here. Okay. If it's loaded, we can just get the chunk, I guess. Chunk, neighbor, world, get chunk at. neighbor data, get version key long. If expected version that equals neighbor version. Well, if not, all loaded and match equals false. Continue. Else match is false. Oh, sorry, break. Just want to break. Oh, and I need to break completely. How do I do that? I think I just do label. So, I think I just do that, and I do break. Neighbor check. Kind of annoying that I need to do it this way, but I suppose it's necessary. Well, it's not exactly necessary, but it's the one place I get to do it, so. If all loaded in match, then we can decorate this chunk because we have all of them. So now now I need to look through where was it? Here. We're going to go back to this one. And we are going to open paper, new window. Alrighty. Need to refresh it. Where does we're looking at this one. Craft bucket, generator, custom world generator. Build surface, carvers. I guess this is it, right? Biome decoration. Yeah. Apply biome decoration, chunk generator. Correct if vanilla. Here. Get populators. This is what they do. Limited region. Okay. So I shall just simply imitate that. Limited region is a craft limited region with a generator access seed. What? Wait, what? Oh, it's just the world. Why are they weird like that? Why are they just weird like that? It's just the world. Right, okay. Luckily mine's actually quite simple. So because I will be calling this in a few places, what I will do is Actually, I suppose I can make a new function here. So we'll call this private. Do I call this one do? Yeah. We'll call this do chunk decoration. We will pass in a. We'll pass in a this. These. Very, very simple. And I'll actually do. Oh. We'll have to run this check here. But then inside of this, we will also call. I'll create a new one. This will be private boolean our neighbors loaded and version. And we'll just give it a right. Okay. Very, very easy. Actually, I can just return true because all of them passed. Okay. Well, I guess we do need the world. How far in are we here? Hour and a half. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Is chunk loaded? Do that. I can just immediately return false. Same thing here. Else. Well, actually, keep things simple. Expected version does not equal that. Why is she providing this? May produce null pointer exception. Right. If there's 0, skip this one. Not chunk is loaded, return false. If it's null, the neighbor version is not expected version, return false. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. So my thought here was that I could run this do the loop. No, I'll just do that. Okay. All right, do chunk generation. Limited region. Only call when a populator is present. Okay. So basically the thing here is that interesting. Okay. Interesting. Okay. They're being funny, but all right. Whoa. Okay. So block populators. We will assume there's stuff in that. So what we will do is we will say craft limited region, a region, and this takes a world. Oh. Wrong kind of world. Okay. Oh, I just need to cast it to a chunk. What? What? Wait, what? Chunk. Why is it being weird? Just cast it. Okay, level chunk. Yeah, Q works. Well, actually what I could do is I can, yeah, sorry, I'm forgetting how this works. Chunk dot no stop it. Chunk world get hand. Craft world get handle. Okay, there we go, finally. And then chunk coordinate integer pair. Whatever. We'll just do it this way because this is the way that I was actually going to want it. Is there just a function that returns that instead of having to do it a weird way and directly access it? D. Is it D? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Minecraft world, or wait, yeah, world level chunk. or level chunk. And then server level. Holy crap. Wait, what? Oh, level. Get level. Get level. And then this is on chunk access where it is get pose. F, of course. Why is that wrong? World generator access seed. Okay, see, that's the funny thing, because that's what they do. Custom chunk generator, world gen level, world gen region. Oh, wait. World gen region. World list of chunk access. Oh no. I have to get all the chunks. I have to actually get all the chunks. Okay. Chunk status. Okay. Where is that value used? Ah, it's used for logging. And nowhere else. Funny. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to provide all the other chunks. Okay. Chunk list of I chunk access neighbors. Okay. It's necessary. It really is necessary. New world gen. What do they call it? What do they call it? Oh. Declaration. Implements world gen level. What does it need? It needs a generator access seed. What the fuck? Um, Perhaps I can implement it myself. Maybe. Yeah, this is crazy. This is just ridiculous. So this one will require, it is actually going to require reflection because there's no way I can do this otherwise. Okay. Gotta look it up. I don't know how to do that. Java reflection instance new object. Create a new object using reflection. .class.get constructor. Okay. So I've got to do it class.forename. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay. Class.forename. It is called, that's the funny part, is that I don't know what it's called. Generator access seed. What does that look like? Okay. So it looks like that. So where was my get class name stuff? Can I just search in these files? Fun and files. Chunk regenerator. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I can use some of these. I can also flip back to this one. Okay. So I can use this now. I can absolutely use this now. Craft bucket. Yeah, so these should be stored. Okay. So I don't need any of that though. I don't think I need any of that. Okay. So this should just be a regular Minecraft class. Class.forename. And I guess I should do it static. I guess I actually should do it static since I'm loading class initializers. So class world gen region. But what is it called? Paper server net Minecraft. Level, oh, really? No, that would be so simple. Oh, no. Server level world gen region. There we go. Get class. Get class net Minecraft server level world gen region. And I have just realized it may not be called that. Let me check something. Let me open up. Let me open up the server file that runs and see if it's named there. Paper 18.2 WinRAR. Interesting. So I'm going to hope that what they do is they download the version and then, I mean, I shouldn't hope. I can go look. I can verify it myself by accessing the test server and downloading the file that they run. Oh man. All right. With WinRAR, net, Minecraft, server, level, world gen region. Server level world gen region. It's called Region Limited World Access. Is that what it's called? Really? Why are they mean like that? Why are they mean like that? Why did they do that? Why did they do that? It's not the same name at all. I think it is called Region Limited World Access. I mean, because that actually is like a very obvious name for it. It's actually a really good name for it. But I just don't know why I don't see that here. Okay. So I gotta do something. I need to... What I need to do is I need to rebuild paper and then open the project to see what the names are. Because if I have the wrong names, then I am going to have a really bad time. So. Paper, nope. Paper here. Contributing. How do I do it? Requirements for using Windows. Yeah. Clone, type, apply patches. Certain paper, server paper, API. But I want... the version. I want the very specific version here. Gradle W apply. I don't want to do that. I need the... Well, I think they download build tools, don't they? Libs, paper. Oh, look, there it is. Open this one. I actually want to look at this one. Maybe this one's different. Server level. Region limited world access. Well, why is it called it there? But when I look at it, it's not called that. What are you doing to me? Why do you change the name of it? Server level world gen region. Why is it different? This is the original Minecraft code, or supposedly. Man, so it's not something on my end where the files are inconsistently named. It's inconsistently named even here. They don't share the same names for some reason. I don't know why. So they call it World Gen Region. And no, these are actually the exact same size. Oh, they're the exact same size. That's great. Okay. Let's open it here. And this is what I got to deal with. World Region Limited World Access. Generator access seed. So, net Minecraft server level, that name. That's the name. That's the name they got. So then I need to get a constructor for world server, which luckily is precisely the same name. List of this is the exact same name. Why is this one the only thing that's been changed? World Gen Region is what it's called for me here on this one. Is this the problem? This is the problem. This is the problem. It's here. This line. How can I get the latest one? Do I need to give it a dash? Do I need something else? What's our options here? What's our options here? What's our options here? What's our options here? 1 point what? Why aren't they giving me the options? Do I need to re-import it? Because it should be exactly the same name that I have. So they set this, and then they changed the name, and they didn't update it on their. They didn't update it online. They didn't update it on their repository. But the newer version that I have that I'm using on the server, and that I'm looking at, uses a different name than what they have put on their repot. Correct. Okay. Okay. So it's actually not my fault at all. They're just being dumb. Which possibly means the other ones are wrong. Which I suppose we'll find out. I suppose we'll find out. If the other ones have been changed as well. But it looks like all the other names are the same, and I'm guessing the only thing that changed was this got a different name. For some reason. At some point. Okay. Funny thing is, this one's only provided for logging. Still, right? P. Private final. Yeah, it's only used in one place for logging. Very, very silly. Okay. So we have region limited world access. Get constructor for these. So then value.class, so world gen region class, get constructor. Okay, interesting. And we will save this here. Private static final. Does this return? A constructor of type T. Constructor. Okay. What a horribly long name. Get a constructor, just the classes of all the other ones. Okay, that'll be easy though. Very easy. Okay. So we just need to give it world server. World server.class. It's got list.class, chunk status class, and int class. What is it? No such method. Okay. What else could happen? Null pointer? Could be null. I'll just combine it and then tell them I would like that. Might not have been initialized. Yeah. Might have already been assigned to. No. Well, I just told you to do it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. I was getting a call from spam. From Spam HQ. Okay. Alrighty. So this should be fine. What access constructor? Now in here. Where is it? Sortable generator chunk size? Yeah. That's technically been broken for like a really long time, so. Craft world, refresh chunk. Ah. So we just cast it actually. Yeah. See, craft world. Oh, yeah, it is used there. Okay. Alright. No need for that anymore. And I can do region limited world access constructor. New instance. It takes. It never gives. Okay. It takes level chunk. D. Yep. And then the list of chunk access neighbors. And then chunk status. Just do chunk status dot features. features K. K. And then placement radius 1. Unhandled exception, illegal access. Okay. I'll do the whole thing in a try. So we'll just do try. Which takes a I think it is get world, right? Oh, yeah. I mean, whatever. Invocation target. Illegal access. Cast it. Okay. And honestly, like if this happens, I just want to call core.shutdown. Where is it? Static. Just shut down. I think it is called get world, but I do need to verify that. Level chunk get level. It's called get level. Get level. Chunk status dot features then level chunk dot limited region, apply biome decorations. Interesting. Get position. Double chunk dot get plus position. Okay. Alrighty. And then we, whoops. And then we run here. So this will be in our block populators. So for, well, not exactly. Chunk. No, I don't want to do that. Get X. This is what I want to do. Get X. Okay. And now we will run through these. Block populator. Don't need that. Don't need that. And then we just run populator.populate world. Core.random. Chunk X, chunk Z, and then the limited region. Haha. What, you get a problem with that? Okay. We say limited region dot break link and limited region dot, oh sorry, save entities. I'm actually surprised that these are just right there available to me. That's nice. Okay. And that's that. That's that. That is that. Oh, we have to check the version first. Well, yeah. So this is what would happen. This is what would happen. Oh, I think I see. This is, yeah, so this is not needed here. We assume that we're running that there. Oh. Oh, I see something that's happening here. Do I have to run this again? Okay, so no, I need to figure out how to do this correctly then. Right. So do chunk decoration. That shouldn't check for the neighbors, but it does need to load the neighbors, which sucks. It's not just the neighbors too, by the way. Oh no, does this have to be in a specific order? Does this have to be in a specific order? Oh my god. This might need to be in a specific order. Okay. Origin region. Chunks. Center. Size divided by 2. Interesting. First, get 0, get positioned last. Get chunk X. K is chunk X minus first position X. Okay. Get K plus L times size. Okay, so that's not... I mean, that order makes sense. That the order does make sense here. Got hair on me. Okay. So basically it's X. It's X. So the first row of X, second row of X. Well, I'm like, wait. First row of X, second row of X, third row of X, just like that. So they're all in order. But honestly, I might... I kind of really dislike this. This.level.on block state change. Oh, well, that actually makes this a lot easier. That actually makes this so much easier. So I can supply my own, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to supply my own. Because I just noticed that chunk population is still slow. So what we can do is we can ignore all of that. And I can make my own thing. I can just straight up make it myself. Because it's not going to be a big issue. So let's do that. We'll just make it myself. And I don't have to worry about this. So, yeah, not too bad. Actually, really not too bad. Let me actually go check what save entities does. Load entities, save entities. Generate access. This entity is loaded. Very weird. Why do they do it this way? Well, true. This is the worst thing I've ever seen. What is that? Let me look at the not messed up one. Showing that? No, we're not. Gosh, I'd love to be able to stay on just one of these at a time. That'd be great. Origin region. Uses. Chunk status here. Such a difficult thing to get to. Okay. Craft limited region. Alright. So what do they do here? Load entities. Buffer. Load entities which are already present. Contains. What does this get called? Interesting. Super. Wait, what does this implement? Craft region accessor. Crap. What? Super weird. Okay. Okay. Let me... Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, where's the command one? What did they do? Server org command or generator or commands API. Where's the regenerate command? Very silly. Here. I know I found it through chunk status. So find usages. Minecraft server commands. server commands. Reset chunks. And setting it all to air. Oh, they just straight up go tell them to do it. Okay. Oh, is this the... wait. No. No. Yeah, they just... they don't... they just use the original thing. Okay. Okay. So how... I thought maybe they did something special, but no, they don't. So I could implement the limited region, which will be through API, bucket, generator, block populator. Get buffer is in region, set block data, set block state, schedule block update. Yeah, see, those are going to be problems. Okay. But I could theoretically just implement this myself. Because what this really is just a wrapper around region accessor. What is this? Get biome. Set biome. Set block data. Oh, Jesus. See, this is the thing, because region limited world access is a class, and it does not implement all of these. I need the original one. Well, hey, dog. Over here. Over here. What are you doing? What's going on? Huh? What's going on? All right. I'll be back in a few minutes. Oh, wow. I blew past my 2-hour mark. Okay. Wow. So yeah, I'm actually going to take a break. I'm going to take a break now. I'm going to go eat or get food at least. And I'll be back in a bit. All right. See you guys later. Soon. In a, I don't know, 30 minutes maybe. Hopefully not that long, but maybe. All right. See you then. I'm back. I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna end the stream now. All right. I don't need to put sunglasses on. I'm gonna end the stream now. Thanks for watching. If you're watching from the future, really appreciate it. If you're on the YouTube channel, please, if you watch the whole thing, give it a like. All right, come on. What are you doing? Why watching the whole thing and then not liking it? Why would you do that? Okay. Thanks for watching. And see you guys some other time. Goodbye.